So yeah, all these people are coming from Macau. And to the right of me is what the other option was to go down this little escalator down there. And then you go into this little shopping arcade. But when you go in the go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, there's a Watson's. So basically we just came off of that bridge, and these are some of the stores. Watson's, Coco, a lot of the same ones I can see in Macau everywhere. So we're just going to walk all the way down, and we're going to go into Macau at nighttime here. China Mobile is everywhere, as our music, iPhone. So, okay. We'll turn it on in a minute. Okay, so here's another one where people are just kind of going across, but they could just take this escalator right here. This escalator just takes you over safely. But we're going to go back up and we'll take a look again. Going up. This used to be all lit up, but now it looks like it's went out of business and all the lights are off. Okay. So again, we got the same thing. We just went up an escalator, and we're just gonna take a look here for 2 seconds. And this is another spot where there's gonna be people kind of all over the place. So look at all those people they chose to walk across that thing. So there's like a whole line of pedestrians because there's no light there, so they just kind of walk, like just 30 of them, 40 of them, just continual stream of them. People on the bike that just kind of goes randomly all over the place. But actually there's escalators right here, so yeah, it's kind of crazy because yep. Yeah, right there's an escalator to the right of us. But I'm just gonna keep the camera down a little bit. And we're getting pretty close to the Macau border, so I turn it off and then we'll this is crazy. Okay. Okay, so we're kind of on the last stretch. Straight ahead is Gongbei Authority Port, I think it's called. But basically it's a place where immigration is at to go to Macau. So and to the right, this is Zhuhai Port Plaza. There's a building straight ahead. Yeah, the bikes just kind of go anywhere they want. Good luck trying to get across here. Yeah, I guess the taxi just dropped people off right there too. Okay. So we got all these little shops everywhere here. And straight ahead is Zhuhai Port. It could go down. I kind of prefer to go across, but could go down. Could go down and then back up again. Yeah, we'll go across. Going down is a little shopping mall arcade, and I've definitely filmed in there other times too. So okay. So there's a little fountain right there. So so yeah, all these people are coming from Macau. And to the right of me is what the other option was to go down this little escalator down there. And then you go into this little shopping arcade. But when you go in the shopping arcade, you kind of get lost in all the shopping stuff. I've filmed in there so many different times already. I've been in there like, I don't know, 40 times, 50 times. Filming maybe 6 or 7 times. But I'm gonna film this way instead. So basically we're gonna cross the street and we're gonna walk over to the immigration for Macau. charming holiday hotel. And then we're all kind of stuck here for, I believe, 23 more seconds. So, okay, it's at 7 seconds, but lots of people are walking already. And there's stopping the traffic. Anyways, we'll follow the craziness. A lot of luggage, sometimes people carrying luggage could be of two things. Either one is from Macau, and number two is from the train station. So directly straight is the Macau, and then to the right is the trains. The trains take you to all over China, basically. You go to anywhere, Yangzhou, Beijing. So if I was to go underneath, we'd have to go all the way to over to the straight ahead, almost to that building, Going Bay Port, that says. Oh, look, there's a bunch of people just kind of hanging out here. So, but instead what we're gonna do is just go directly to immigration. 70-year anniversary right there of the current government of China. And this kind of mess of people is immigration, so I'm gonna have to turn it off in a minute because I'm sure I can't film in there. So, okay, so we're gonna walk into this little mess, so I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, so this is immigration, and we're basically gonna walk. You can go into Macau that way and go directly, but we're gonna follow this this little way here, which is all the casino buses. So that's immigration. We just went through there. So just on the other side, over that, on the other side of that building, basically is China and Zhuhai. And all these buses, they go to each directly to each casino, and they're free. So I'm definitely gonna grab one of them. And yeah, that's it. So we're back in Macau, and that'll conclude this little trip to Zhuhai. And actually, all the people that I see in these lines look like the same kind of ones that I see in China and Zhuhai. And then once you get into Macau, the feeling of everything is kind of a different feeling. So it's pretty cool, though. You wouldn't think there'd be such a big difference between the two cities, but there is. So these are free right here, Macau Galaxy. Okay, so basically just walked on it, and we're basically going to be moving. One of the things you'll notice is that these buses are always a lot louder than other buses. And there's that's the building we were just in, so we were basically in a bus within basically as soon as we got on this bus, it started moving. So we're basically going to be on the other side of Haifa, and the casinos, before you know it.